Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the focus categories you'll use, for example, work, relax, exercise, and collecting suitable images. Once done, make sure images match your screen resolution so they don't crop oddly. Now create labeled folders for each focus. This makes switching fast and repeatable. You do this first because it eliminates friction later when automating or applying profiles. If you plan to sync across devices, pick images under 2 MB to save bandwidth and time. Next, you assign images to the focus modes using either built-in profile settings or a third-party wallpaper manager. Once you open the tool, create one profile per focus type and point it at the matching folder you prepared. Then configure triggers, time schedules, focus mode toggles, or app-specific rules so the wallpaper changes automatically. This step reduces decision fatigue and reinforces the intended mental state. Make sure to test each trigger so the right image appears at the right moment. Finally, you finalize by testing every profile. Switch focus modes, trigger schedules, or open designated apps to confirm the wallpaper updates correctly. Once done, verify scaling and multi-monitor placement so nothing crops or mirrors unexpectedly. If a change doesn't stick, restart the wallpaper utility, check system permissions, and reselect the folder. These fixes resolve most issues. Keep a backup of your presets and note any triggers that need timing tweaks, because small adjustments make the experience consistent and reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.